Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. With PayRules, you can easily hide, sort, or rename payment methods. In this video, we'll show you how to hide a payment method based on customer tags using the PayRules app. I am adding this special tag to the Support KlinKode account, which uses the email support@klinkode.com and then saving it. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. Now we'll use the search box to find the customer tags condition and click on Select this combinations where it appears. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select Customer Tags. For this video, we choose If Found and add a special tag. Then set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery and Alipay. Alipay payment method is not available in this list, so we will simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the Cash on Delivery and Alipay will be hidden if a customer has a special tag. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay are visible because the cart doesn't contain a special tag customer. Now change the customer's email to support@klinkode.com, which has the special tag, and check again. Yes, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!